Have you ever gotten that sinking feeling after hitting submit on an online form, only to realize you didn't quite get what you bargained for? Maybe you signed up for a free credit report trial and forgot about it, or perhaps you used a service that requires an Equifax account and no longer need it. Whatever the reason, you now find yourself staring at an Equifax account you don't want. But fear not, friend. Because while deleting an Equifax account isn't exactly a walk in the park, it is definitely doable. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of Equifax accounts and guiding you through the steps of getting rid of yours, once and for all. Now, before we jump in, it's important to understand the difference between deleting your Equifax account and simply canceling a paid service offered by Equifax. Here's the key distinction. Deleting your account means severing all ties with Equifax, removing your personal information from their system, with some exceptions, and essentially wiping the slate clean. Canceling a service, on the other hand, just stops your subscription and associated charges. So, if you're just looking to stop paying for a credit monitoring product or something similar, you can usually handle that within your Equifax account settings or by calling customer service. But if you want to completely remove yourself from Equifax's database, that's what we'll be focusing on today. Alright, with that cleared up, let's get down to business. There are two main ways to delete your Equifax account, through the online portal or by good old-fashioned mail. We'll explore both options, giving you the flexibility to choose what works best for you. Method 1. Deleting your Equifax account online. Gear up. You'll need your trusty computer, a stable internet connection, and your Equifax login credentials. If you don't remember your password, no worries. Most login pages have a forgot password option that will guide you through resetting it. Navigate the maze, head over to the Equifax website and log into your account. Once you're in, things can get a little tricky. Equifax isn't exactly known for making account deletion a straightforward process. You might have to do some digging through menus and settings. Here's a general tip. Look for sections titled My Account, Account Settings, or anything that sounds like it might house account management options. If you get stuck, don't hesitate to search Equifax's Help Center for specific instructions on account deletion. The final click, hopefully once you locate the account deletion section, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. There might be some confirmation steps involved, so make sure you read everything thoroughly before clicking that final delete button. Method 2. Deleting your Equifax account by mail. If navigating the online maze isn't your cup of tea, you can also delete your Equifax account by sending a certified letter. Here's what you'll need to do. Craft your message. On a piece of paper, write a clear and concise letter stating your request to delete your Equifax account. Include your full name, address, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number for verification purposes. Seal the deal, sign the letter, get it notarized, it adds an extra layer of security, and make a copy for your records. Then, place the original and the copy in separate envelopes. Off it goes. Send the original certified letter with return receipt requested to Equifax Information Services LLC, P.O. Box 740241, Atlanta, Georgia, 30374-0241. Important reminders. No matter which method you choose, deleting your Equifax account does not delete your credit report itself. Your credit report will still exist with the other two major credit bureaus, Experian and TransUnion. So, you'll need to follow separate steps to manage your reports with them as well. It's important to note that deleting your Equifax account won't necessarily remove any inaccurate information that might be on your credit report. If you find any errors, you'll need to dispute them directly with Equifax. There are resources available on the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, website to help you with this process. https://www.consumerfinance.gov/ask-cfpb/how-do-i-and-error-on-my-credit-report-314/. Deleting your Equifax account might also impact your ability to use certain services that rely on Equifax for identity verification purposes. So, weigh the pros and cons carefully before making your decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.